Today's labor shortages create many challenges in the kitchen. Let the Chef's Help feature guide your less tenured employees through cooking even the most complex recipes. Let's make a complete breakfast sandwich with one cooking program. Instead of written procedures that could get lost in the kitchen or dirtied up, the steps can be built right into the Combi's cooking program. So here's our preloaded demo breakfast mix. As we can see, the first step is a Chef's Help step. After you start the cooking program, since this is step 1, it's telling you, hey, put the bacon in after the oven is preheated. So the worker must push the check mark. If the oven were preheated, it would go to the next step. The next step being steaming, Combi steaming for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, the next Chef's Help step pops up to put in the bread rolls. Again, the worker will push the check mark, and the program will continue cooking for another 4 minutes. Then the final Chef's Help step is to put the eggs in. The worker will push the check mark, and it will steam for another 3 minutes. So let's add one more Chef's Help as the final step. So the breakfast sandwich is now complete. So we'll add a step to the right, and we'll scroll all the way down to another Chef's Help step. This time, we'll say, add the cheese on top of the eggs, and then they'll remove everything from the oven and be able to assemble the breakfast sandwich.